Hi, it's Nick from Reactivity. In healthcare, minutes matter. When access breaks, devices fall behind, or a vendor account gets compromised, the impact shows up in patient flow fast. Here are 5 quick signals to check. 1. Is your IT plan aligned to clinical priorities and upcoming budget cycles, not last year's to-do list? 2. Are your most important accounts protected beyond passwords, and can you confirm it across staff and third parties? 3. If a laptop walks out the door, can you lock it, wipe it, and prove it was encrypted? 4. Could you bring scheduling, files, and key apps back today? And do you know the realistic recovery time? 5. When a security alert hits after hours, who sees it? Who decides? And what happens next? If these feel hard to answer, your readiness is assumed, not demonstrated. If you want a quick readiness review and a clear action plan, contact us.